Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a loan from Apple Pay in 2025. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any crucial details. Let's get started. Section 1. As of today, Apple Pay does not directly offer loans. If you check your Apple Pay account settings, you won't find an option to borrow money, but there's a workaround. Section 2. Apple introduced Apple Pay Later, a feature designed to make purchases more flexible. With Apple Pay Later, you can split your payment into 4 installments, zero interest or no fees. This means you can buy something now and spread the cost over time. Section 3. Here's how to use Apple Pay Later to manage payments. First, shop at any store that accepts Apple Pay. At checkout, choose Apple Pay as your payment method. Select Pay Later instead of paying in full. Apple Pay will show your installment breakdown, which payment due every 2 weeks. No hidden charges, just evenly split payments. Once confirmed, your upcoming payments will appear in your Apple Pay Later section for easy tracking. Section 4. Great news. Using Apple Pay Later won't directly impact your credit score. However, Apple does perform a soft credit check when you apply just to verify eligibility. This won't harm your credit, but it's something to keep in mind. Section 5. While you can't directly take out a loan, Apple Pay Later is a great alternative to spread out cost. It's simple, interest-free, and helps manage expenses more efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.